Dear students, now we are going to learn exercise 3.5. Question number 5, second subdivision. X power 4 plus 3x cube minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. I have taken this one as a given equation that is equal to 0. I am keeping this equation as equation number 1. Now we can check it here whether it is the reciprocal equation. Here the leading coefficient is a 1, the constant term is a minus 1. And next, here the second term coefficient is 3 and here the second last term coefficient is minus 3. Now we could see there is little change compared to the first subdivision and second subdivision here. The first subdivision we found out the signs are same, the coefficient signs were same. But here it is a different. This is plus and this is a minus. The same way here this is plus and here there is a minus. And another thing you can find out also, here the middle term is a 0. Like when you take these two and these two, middle there is no middle term is here. That means here the middle term is a 0. So we are concluding this way, this equation is the even degree reciprocal equation of type 2. As I mentioned earlier, if the signs are different, that is a second type reciprocal equation. And also here the highest degree is a 4, so we are telling it is a even degree reciprocal equation of type 2. As I mentioned, the middle term is a 0. When the middle term is a 0 and the condition is given here, this equation will have x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 as a root of this equation. So now these roots we can write them as the factors. If you bring this 1 to this side, it will become x minus 1 into this minus 1 will become plus 1. It will become x plus 1 is equal to, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So we can write as a square minus b square. So I got it here x square minus 1. Now next step what we are going to do, we are going to divide the given equation. We assume that is as the first equation. The first equation we are going to divide by x square minus 1. So we can get, and we can get x square plus 3x plus 1. Let us see how to divide. Now here there is a x power 4 is there. Our aim is we want to get x power 4. So for that here x square is there. So in the quotient you have to write x square. So x square into x square will become x power 4 and x square into minus 1 will become minus x square. Now we are changing the sign of these ones. This plus become minus, minus become plus. Now these two will be cancelled. The remaining is here. Now this 3x cube, we are going to bring it here 3x cube. Here there is no x cube term, so just you can bring it as it 3x cube. And here there is x square term is a 0 and this is plus x square will become plus x square and minus 3x we are bringing down. Next our aim is we want to get 3x cube. So if you put here in the quotient plus 3x and if we multiply we will get 3x cube. So 3x into x square will become 3x cube plus there is no x square term, so I put here 0. Now 3x into minus 1 will become minus 3x. Now if we change the sign here, plus change into minus, minus change into plus, and these two will be cancelled, these also will be cancelled. Here the remaining will be x square. This minus 1 I brought it down here. Now we want to get x square. In order to get x square we have to multiply by 1. So I wrote here plus 1. So plus 1 into x square will become x square plus 1 into minus 1 will become minus 1. Now we can change this sign, plus will change into minus, minus will change into plus, Now both will be cancelled. The remainder is here 0. Finally, we found out the quotient, that is x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. The beginning itself they have given, since the middle term is a 0, and we got two solutions for this equation, that is x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. Now by solving this equation, quadratic equation, by factorizing, we can get two more roots for this given equation. Now to factorize this equation, here the product is a 1 and sum is a 3. So we cannot go for this factor method to factorize this quadratic equation. So we are going to use the formula to factorize this. From the equation we are trying to find out the value of ABC. Value of A is equal to 1, value of B is equal to 3 and value of C is equal to 1. Now the formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If we substitute the values here, x equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square is a 3 square minus 4 into the value of a is a 1 into value of c is a 1 divided by 2 into 1. That is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to, if you subtract this 9 minus 4, we are getting 5. So 3 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. Now we can write x equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. Therefore the roots are 1 minus 1, 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2.